So here we have a Redpath Quickbuild greenhouse. This is a 6 metre wide building across the base, and this one's roughly 28 metres long. Single skin, Duratough, long life commercial greenhouse film. It uses a 1-inch tube steel arch hoop, spaced every 1.5 to 2 metres. There's a high wind kit version as well, which brings the hoops closer together. This is a standard wood one, based in the Manawa 2, so gets a good test from the breeze now and again. These buildings use a raker pole system, so at each end of the building there's a raker, and you'll see the cable there running along the top, and that runs along the very ridge of the building, right the full length. And there's the same down the bottom along each side. There's another stainless steel cable as well, which is tied back to these anchor poles, so they form the backbone of this building. This particular one's got a roll-up wall fitted to one side. So you can see the roll-up wall's halfway up here, just a self-locking easy winder winch. And you rotate the handle, go up or down, depends on what you want. This one's got a roll-up wall on both sides. At the moment just the one wall's open. Let's have a closer look at that. It's the winch, the wall. At the top we've got the clipping system, Duralock 2 clipping system. This is the guide pipe for the winch to roll up and down. Yeah, it's a pretty straightforward system, very cost effective. These buildings have a rope system over the roof, so frequently every either 2 to 6 metres or 4 metres sometimes, there's a rope that goes up and over the cover, and this helps stop the cover moving too much in the wind, moving around up and down. It's a retaining rope, and that goes down the full length of the building, crisscrosses the building all the way down. You just set it up as per the plans of the building. So we'll just have a look inside here. So we've got a sliding aluminium door track, aluminium, ball bearing rollers, nice and smooth. The newer range of buildings also has a square section upright and a base rail that goes across the bottom of the building. This one's a couple of years old, so it's just not quite the very latest design. So moving inside, you can see this is being used for lettuce at the moment, propagation, and for growing on lettuce. 6 metre wide, so there's that roll-up wall. This one has the door at the far end as well, so it's a closed end with the door at both ends. They're very quick to build, these things, and hence the name. So 2 people, mainly probably 3 to 4 days to build the whole building, and so very efficient, very cost effective, and simplistic in their design. They don't use any concrete whatsoever. They all use screw anchors that go along the sidewall here. Every 4 metres there's a screw anchor which runs all along both sides, and that retains, as I said before, a stainless steel cable, and then the hoops come down and they connect to that cable on each side here at ground level. And here's that top cable we talked about before from the raker pole, so that runs the full length of the building all the way to the other end where we have this other raker pole there. I'll just turn around so you can see the exterior raker pole here again. There we go, so that ties back to that, and then this has 2 tie-back cables which go back to a ground anchor as well. So it's sort of like a marquee tent really. And across the ways there is another Quickbuild Redpath, and the lettuce are a little bit bigger in that one. So let's have a look at that one. This one has roll-up sides as well, has crop hangers, has the irrigation system hanging off the roof. Very similar setup, about the same length, just a little bit larger in scale. In respect to where the crop's up to as well, it's a little bit more advanced, 4 or 5 weeks in advance. This is an organic farm, so has a mixture of plants all around the building. Yeah. So that's the Redpath Quickbuild tunnels. They're essentially a cost-effective solution to crop cover. So you can have as long as you want, up to 99 metres, or even longer in some cases, and they can be built on undulating ground. Doesn't really matter, they're not fussy, they don't have any gutters, so you can build them pretty much any length you like at the end of the day. And here's the twin sisters. This one's a little bit longer than the one to the right. Right, that's all for now.